I have the PIXI Spring Fling Mystery Box. So if you want to see what's in this big guy, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit, you may hear bark because they're doing some work in the neighbor's yard and, you know, he doesn't like people in his neighborhood. I get it. And Chloe just got home from school. We're actually going to be shooting a snack crate soon. And, you know, Dexter's just hanging out with Chloe. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings and baggings, get ready with me's, collaborations, giveaways, fashion, beauty, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so this was $70 plus 10 items. So that's $7 an item plus 3 additional mystery treats. I don't know what they are. I have no idea what's in it. I haven't seen anybody unbox this yet. Maybe they have. I just haven't seen it. So let's get into it and let's see. Now, I like PIXI. PIXI's a great drugstore brand. They are cruelty-free. I believe they have some vegan products. I don't know if they're totally vegan, but they're that great drugstore brand. They're a great priced item and the products are very nice. And they do have some Hello Kitty collab things. So now, I do have an invoice, and it does break down what's in the box, and then it breaks down, well, there's four things on there. So I don't know. So this lists 11 items. It's only supposed to be 10, and 3 extra treats, but on here, on this page, there are 4. So for $70, I received 15 items. We'll put it at that. And I don't know actually which ones are the extra things. It doesn't really make that clear. So we're just going to reach in and start blindly. This is something big. I'm guessing it's a palette. It is the PIXI times Tina Young palette. Now this is absolutely stunning because you have a mix of neutrals, but then you also have a bunch of other shades in there. Let's get this open so you don't see a glare. All right, so this is a great multi-use palette because you've got your neutrals, but then you have your pops of colors. And even if you just want to take like that blue and do a waterline with it with some browns up on top of the eye, you're going to have a stunning, stunning look. We've got some shades, we've got some mattes, we've got just everyday essentials, and then a little bit of day to night kind of glam. So super nice. I'm not going to swatch it because there's just so much in this box that we'll be here all day. All right, next there is a little bag here. So it's just a nice little bag. I like that it's clear so you can see, like, if you're doing a quick, like, did I pack everything I need? Okay, yes, it's in here. Or, you know, even like for work, I always have at least 3 or 4 lip glosses on me. And another like 6 in my desk drawer at work. But, you know, it's nice to have like a little quick glance. Do I have everything I need? All right, next, what is this big guy? It is the Retinol Jasmine Cleanser. And it has retinol and ceramide. So this is a nighttime use. 4.6 ounces. Oh, this is a favorite here. This is the PIXI times Hello Kitty Glow Tonic. This is going to be your toner, your glycolic acid toner. Okay, we have, I'm not sure, it looks like maybe a blush. It's a blush duo in Peach Honey. And those are absolutely gorgeous. I think they would work with most shades and skin tones. All right, oh, a little quad. Oh, this is glitter. Look at that. Oh. All right, so there we go. How gorgeous are those? Oh my. All right, I just want to see how they sit on. So we are going to do a little, just to see like if this is something you're going to need like that setting kind of glue for. Goes on well. Not seeing fallout, so I think this is something that you can just tap over any eye look. Yeah, even going like this, it does get a little bit of movement around, but it's not just flaking off. So I think that this is something that you could do without like a glitter glue or whatever it is that you use. All right, got a lot of little things in here. Next we have a Hello Kitty glowy powder. Totally adorable. It's a baby pink illuminator. The shade is called Sweet Glow. All right, we have, what is this? It is a Beauty Blush Duo Plus Kabuki. So you have your little brush right there. And then this is Rose Gold is the shade. Really pretty. Okay, we have some Milky Cleansing Cloths. I'm going to guess this was like one of the little extras because it's not full size and everything in the mystery box itself should be full size. So I'm thinking this was like one of the little extras. All right, and then there's another box in here. So I'm not really sure what that's about because I didn't order anything other than the mystery box, and then it had the 3 extra items. And I even double checked my invoice. In here we have quite a few more items, not 10 though, so it's definitely part of the mystery box. But so we have the Mesmerizing Mineral Duo. This is an eyeshadow duo. All right, so it's just a little Sunny Bronze is the shade. We have a Botanical Collagen Mask. And it says this is a volume hydrating mask. It helps with signs of dryness and rejuvenates the skin. Infused with botanical collagen and arginine, it helps improve the look of fine lines, moisturize, and promote glowing, vibrant skin. And it's a leave-on mask. Okay, we have, is this a lip? Natural Lip Moisturizing Lip Color. This is in the shade Nectar, which looks to be, oh, that's really pretty. Very wearable. And we have the collagen, Botanical Collagen Lip Gloss. So this looks like it's maybe no color. This is enriched with botanical collagen and peptides. It's a nourishing balm that's going to help hydrate and soften to create smoother, fuller looking lips. It's non-sticky, and I don't see that it has a color. We have a retinol eye cream. And then it feels like one last thing in here. And this is the Eye Reflection Shadow Palette. This has a mixture of neutrals and mattes and shimmers. And again, another very usable palette there. Very nice. Yeah, 15 items for $70. Like, that's a great bargain. I love this brand. I think it's a great brand, particularly if you're looking for something that's a little bit lower price that you can get at CVS, Walgreens, whatever your local pharmacy is that sells cosmetic products. And it's a great bargain for some great products. So yeah, I am totally excited about this. I think there's some great items in here. And I love that they included some skincare. I've not tried their skincare. I have tried their makeup. I love their eyeliners. So I like that there's that nice mix. All right, but tell me your thoughts in the comments down below. What was your favorite? You know mine is going to be this glitter palette. And I don't wear glitter often. I don't wear glitter often, but those look fun to play with. All right, well, let me know your thoughts down below, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.